Today marks the 32nd anniversary of the passing of the Americans with Disabilities Act. And News 12's Carol Wilkinson brings us to the celebration with Westchester Disabled on the move.
The Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 has been a lifesaver for Ansel Lurio of Yonkers.
Just getting here today, I mean, I took public transit and I was able to go on the bus and everything because there was a ramp and everything. And if there wasn't the ADA, I'm not sure how I could have gotten here.
For Lurio, living with a disability is made that much easier with the protection of the civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against individuals in the workplace, schools, and all public and private spaces that are open to the public. And for Lurio and millions of others, it also means
It's made people with disabilities more visible in public, and so people are then used to seeing disabled people and it becomes commonplace.
while the 32nd anniversary is a celebration of sorts, there is still the underlying concern that the ADA must not be taken for granted. Maria Samuels is the executive director of the advocacy group Westchester Disabled on the Move. She fears that if not protected by strong legislation, the Americans with Disabilities Act could go the way of Roe v. Wade, which was recently overturned by the Supreme Court.
If the Supreme Court decides to go after the ADA, they can use the exact same justification to overturn the ADA, and that might be even easier than overturning Roe versus Wade.
Meanwhile, those attending this event in White Plains are being urged to vote and vote wisely. Organizers say the rights of millions of disabled Americans depends on it. In White Plains, Carol Wilkinson, News 12.